Hello, today we are going to see slicing of array in Python. Today we'll see the two-dimensional array slicing. Okay, so here what is slicing actually? Slicing of array means to access subparts of an array. These subparts can be stored in other variables and further modified. Other than normal slicing concept, arrays in Python can be sliced using the slice inbuilt function. Okay, this is the syntax. Name of the array, then a square bracket has to be given, and in the square bracket it has three parts. Okay, it's separated by colons. The first part is the start, second one is stop, and then step. Usually start and stop we'll be using. The start, whatever value you are giving in start, it represents the index of all these are index. Okay, the start index, it starts from the index what you are giving. Suppose if you are giving 1, then it starts from 1. The first index, it will start from the first index starts. Okay, now when you give the stop value will not take the stop, it will be by the syntax it will be taking stop minus 1 only. Okay, then step, by default it is 1, but if you want to give another value, like if you are giving 2, so it will jump 2 elements next to the array index. Okay, similarly the slice function can also be used with the same way how it is acting. Okay, like start and stop. Stop also here if you are giving stop, it will be up to stop minus 1 only. Okay, this is how the syntax is. Now we will see one example, and along with that we'll learn the slicing. Now coming to the import function, whenever you are creating an NumPy array, the first statement will be NumPy as NP, so it will be creating an NumPy array. Okay, I'll show you so we can see like this, the array is being, a two-dimensional array is being created. Okay, now consider we are creating as a is equal to np dot array. Array function is being used, inbuilt function which is used for creating an array. We have here 3 rows. You can see 3 rows are there. Okay, 3 rows, and how many columns? How many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns are there. Okay, 3 rows and 5 columns are there. So based on that, we are going to do some slicing, and we'll understand how the slicing happens in NumPy array. Okay, the first one is print a of :2, :3. Now whenever you do slicing, as it is told here, isn't it, how it comes, it will be start, stop and step. Okay, so when you are mentioning like this, okay, :2, so you are not giving any start value and you are giving the stop value, and no step is being given. Okay, so every slicing will have a two-dimensional array slicing will have 2 parts. The first part which will be separated by comma. Now the first part which represents the row, here it is given as :2. So I have not given any value, the first value. Start, you are not given any value for start, and stop value given 2. So as I told, when you are not start, you are not giving any value, it will be taking as 0. and stop, it will not go up to 2, it will go up to 1 only. So it is 0 and 1. So the only 2 rows will be taken. Okay, so here these 2 rows will be taken. First row will be these 2 rows are taken. Okay, 0, which starts from 0, and second one is from 5. These 2 rows are taken. Now this is being sliced. Okay, you have to consider that these 2 rows has been taken. Now after comma, whatever you are telling is for the columns. Now column, the sliced value what you are getting, on that only it will function. Okay, so you have taken these 2 rows, and now the column, what you have given for column, it's again colon 3. Colon 3 means it again starts from 0, but it ends up to 2. Okay, stop, we have given stop as 3, so it will move up to 2 only. So 0, 1, 2. So what will be the output you are getting? It is the 0th index, the first index, second index. So 0, 1, 2. So column will be 1. These 3 columns will be taken for these 2 rows. So the output will be this one, isn't it? 0, 1, 2 and 5, 6, 7. This will be the output. We'll see we'll run and see the program. Save. Run the program. See, you got the answer, isn't it? What is the output you are getting? As I told, isn't it? This is the output. 0, 1, 2 and 5, 6, 7 you are getting. This will be the output for that. Okay. Now we will go for the next. Next, it is given as print A of colon 3 and colon 2. Colon 2. What does it mean? Now colon 3 is same as the above we have seen now. Isn't it? Up to 2. Now next one it will move up to 3. 3 rows will be taken. Okay, so 0, 1 and 2. 3 rows. So all the 3 rows. We have only 3 rows. So all 3 rows will be taken. All the 3 rows will be taken. See, these 3 rows will be taken. Now what has to be done for these 3 rows? What is told? In the column, we have not given any start value, any stop value, only the step has been given. That means all the columns also we have to take. All the columns has to be taken, but it will be taking step by 2. That means it will take 0th column. It will not, the 0th column will be taken. Then the second column, first column will not be taken. Then the second column will be taken. Then third column will not be taken. Then the fourth column will be taken. So 3 row and 3 column output will be getting. Okay, we'll check out how it is coming. Run the program. You can understand, see how it is coming. As I told, isn't it? 0th column is coming. The next 1, 6, 11 is not taken. Then 2, 7, 12 has been taken. Then 4, 9 and 14 has been taken. So this is how the output is taken. Okay. Now going to the next one. Now next what it is? Children, it is print colon -1 and column also given as colon -1. That means whenever you see like this, children, last when the step is -1, it will reverse the array. It will reverse the array. So what it is being given here, you have to reverse the row, you have to reverse the column also. So when you give like this, the total element whatever is there, it will come in the reverse order. Okay, it's here the last element is 14, no? So next when you take the output, the first element will be 14. So it will come as 14 when where the 0 is there the 14 will be coming. Okay, then 13, 12, 11, 10, and the next it will be 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, then 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay, we'll see how it is coming. Okay, save it, save, and then run the program. See, in the same way it gets reversed. All the rows and column is got reversed and you are getting the answer. Let's see, isn't it? So like this, whenever you see a -1, okay, -1 step and nothing has been given, and last, if you want to reverse an array, the simplest way is just don't give any value for put a slicing and don't give any value for row, column. Last step you will give -1, it will reverse the array and you will get the answer. Okay, so next one, see next what it is given, print colon comma 0, colon comma 0. What does it mean? So you are not giving any value for row, no value for column. That means the entire rows will be taken. The first part is represents the row. So all the rows you have to take from A. Understood? All the rows you have to take. Now what has to be done by the all the rows? Comma 0. That means only the 0th column you have to take. Only the 0th column. That means the answer you must get is all the rows you are taking, but only the 0th column you have to take. So 0th column is 0, 5 and 10. Isn't it? So the answer must be 0, 5 and 0, 5, 10. You are getting the array as 0, 5 and 10. That will be the elements sliced from the A. Okay, we will check it out. Save the file. Run. See, you got the answer as 0, 5 and 10. Hope you are understanding, isn't it? Now, we'll move to the next one. Next is the reverse of the first, what we have done right now. So, guess children, what will be the output? And tell me, what will be the output for this? You have taken the 0th row and all the columns has been taken. All the columns you have taken the 0th row. So that means the first row, the entire row you have taken. 0th row you have taken and all the columns you have taken. So all the columns will be taken, isn't it? So 0th row, the entire 0th row will be printed. Is it not? See, we'll check it out. Run. Got it? See, the 0th row is being printed. Understood? Now, the next one is print A of 0. Print A of 0. So, what is A of 0? Children, when you give A of 0, okay, A of 0 represents the row again. It will represent the row again. So you will get the first row only. You will get the first row here. Okay. We'll check. File, save, run the program. So you will be getting the first row. So A of 0 will represent the first row. Understood? The first row you are getting as such. Next one is print A of 0 colon 2. A of 0 colon 2. So what does it mean? We are taking the, it is start and stop value is given for rows. So start value is 0, stop value is 2. So 0th row is taken and the first row is taken. So these two rows has been taken. And what has to be done with these two rows? Comma, colon, no stop and no start and no stop. So entire columns has to be taken. So you will get the first two rows entirely printed. Okay, we'll check whether it is coming. Okay, save the file, then run. See, the first two rows has been printed. The first two rows as such it will be coming. Understood? Next is print 2 comma 2 comma 1 colon. Okay, tell me the answer now. How it comes? A2. So it will be taking which row? Which row it will be taking? It will be taking the 0, 1, 2. So last row it is taking. Isn't it? Last row it is taking. And what has to be done with that row? What column you have to take? 1 colon. 1 colon means it starts from 1 but no stop value is given. So that means the entire column will be taken but it starts from 1 only. That means it will start from 11, isn't it? Here it is 11. 0th column will not be taken. See, the row selected is the last one, the last row, and from the last row the column is from 1 to end it will be printing. So 11, 12, 13, 14 will be printed. Okay, so we'll see how it comes. Save the file, run it. Got it? See, 11, 12, 13 and 14 will be the output for that slicing. Got it? Now we'll go for the next one. So what is the next slicing given? Next slicing is print A of colon 2. Colon 2 means starts from 0th row and it ends to 1. So 0 and 1. The first two rows has been taken. These first two rows has been taken. What has to be done with these two rows? 2 colon 3. 2 colon 3. So the column you have to start from 2. So 0, 1, 2. So 2 will be taken. From here you have to take. So we have taken now these two rows, isn't it? These two rows. And in these two rows, the column is from 2. Right? From here you have to take 2 colon 3. Colon 3. So 2 colon 3. So 3 will be not taken. It will be taking up to 2 only. So what output you will get? You will get 2 and 7 only. 2 and 7. Okay, we'll check it out whether it is coming correctly. Okay, file, save and run. See, we got the output 2 and 7. Only 2 and 7 is being taken. Okay, the next is, what is the next output we'll see? Okay, the next output is print A colon and comma colon 2. Print colon. Colon means you have not given any start, no stop value. So that means the entire rows will be taken. And what we'll be doing with the entire row? All the columns and all the rows will be taken here also, because colon no stop value, no start value is given, but it is given as 2 here. 2 here means it will be taking from the beginning of the row, all the row from here, but it jumps up 2, isn't it? Jumps 2. So it will take the first column, then it jumps to the second one, that means 0th column, then it jumps to the second column, then it jumps to the 4th column, is it not? So the output will be 0, 5, 10. Understood? Now the first column will not be taken, then the 2, 7, 12 will be taken, then the next column again it will not take, then the last column will be taken. So it will move. Okay, we'll check it out. We'll save the file, then run. See, you got the output. Is it not? See, first column, then the second column is not taken, then the means here is 0th column, isn't it? 0th column, and the first column is not taken, then the second column is taken, then third column will not be taken, it's not taken, then the fourth column is printed. So like this the output comes. Okay children, now we'll see the last one. So last one is I'll just hide this, and the last output is print A colon 2 comma colon 3. Now you have to tell me how it will come. It will not take any row, any column, no start value, no stop value, and step is 2. So 0th row is taken, the first row will not be taken, and the second row is taken, is it not? So these two, the first and the last row is taken. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is taken, and then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. These two rows has been taken. Now what has to be done with these two rows? Colon 3. That means you have to jump 2. Okay, you have to skip 2. You have to skip. So it will be taking the first column. Okay. Then the second and means 0th column it is taking. The first and the second column it will not take. It will jump to the third one. Third indexed column will be taken. Okay. So the output will be 0, 5, 10. Sorry, 5 will not be taken. So 0 and 10, and then 3 and 13. Isn't it? We'll check how the output is coming. File save and run the file. Got it? See the output you are getting. These two rows has been taken. So 0 and 10. These two rows will be coming. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first row is being taken, and the second last row has been taken. From there the first column is taken, and these two columns has been skipped, and the last one, second last one is taken, isn't it? So it comes like this. Understood, children? So 0, 3 and 10, 13 is the answer. Got it? Okay. Thank you.